In this video, I'll guide you through how to find pre-probate lists in PropWire. If you're looking for potential pre-probate properties, PropWire provides a simple way to narrow down your search using its built-in filters. This type of list can be useful for real estate investors who want to focus on properties that may present off-market opportunities. In this tutorial, I'll show you one approach to finding and refining a pre-probate list using the filters available in PropWire. To get started, log into your PropWire account and head to the home screen. The first thing you'll want to do is choose the area where you want to search. You can search by zip code, city, county, or even a larger region if necessary. If you're working in a densely populated area, searching by city or county is often enough to produce plenty of results. In more rural markets, however, you may need to expand your search to a larger area in order to find a useful number of properties. Once you've selected your target market, open the Lead Types filter, scroll through the available options until you find Pre-Probate, then select it. PropWire will automatically update the results and display properties that it identifies as potential pre-probate leads. Keep in mind that these are estimated matches based on available public data, so some records may be more recent than others. Since the initial list can be quite large, the next step is to refine it. Open the Property Type filter and choose the type of property you prefer to work with, such as single-family homes. If your investment strategy focuses on condos, land, mobile homes, or commercial properties, you can select those instead. Next, adjust the price filter to match the price range that fits your investment goals or the preferences of your buyers. After that, open More Filters and navigate to the Financial Filters section. Here, select an estimated equity range that aligns with your strategy. For example, you may prefer higher equity properties if you're targeting cash buyers, or lower equity properties if you're pursuing another investment approach. Continue refining the list by opening the Owner filters. Limit the maximum number of properties owned and choose Individual as the ownership type if you prefer working directly with individual property owners. Then, use the Property filters to specify details such as the minimum number of bedrooms, bathrooms, or building size to better match your buying criteria. Once you've finished applying your filters, you'll have a much more targeted list to review. You can open individual property records to view estimated details such as loan information, estimated equity, and ownership information. If additional contact details are needed, PropWire also offers skip tracing as an optional paid feature. By combining these filters, you can efficiently build a focused pre-probate list that matches your investment strategy.